Welcome to Tech Tether. 192.168.1.50 IP address 192.168.1.50 is an IP address belonging to Class C of IPv4 networks, commonly used in local area networks LAN. IP address 192.168.1.50 is the default gateway for your wireless router or ADSL modem. This is one of the common addresses, and users can modify this address. Connect your computer or device to the router via wired network connection or Wi-Fi connection. Open a web browser on your device. Enter your home router's IP address into the browser's address bar. The default IP address of the router can be found in the manual or on the router body. Enter your home router's IP address into the browser's address bar. The default IP address of the router can be found in the manual or on the router body. Enter the default username and password written in the manual or on the router body, usually username, admin, password, admin. After successful login, search the router's management interface for options to change the username and password. This information can be found in user management or security settings. Enter your new username and password and save the changes. Modify wireless Wi-Fi password and wireless network name. Enter your new username and password and save the changes. Connect to the Wi-Fi network using the current network name and password. Open a browser and access the router's admin page using the IP address 192.168.1.50. Enter the router's login name and password, usually admin for both. Go to the section to change Wi-Fi password in the Wi-Fi network management and security section. Enter a new password with more complexity, including letters, numbers, and special characters, and then click Save. Go to the section to change the Wi-Fi network name SSID. Change the SSID with the new network name and then click Save. Thanks for watching.